Hello guys, this is Akhlior Ibrahimov from MDIS Financial Lab. Uh, there was a long time since I made a video on this channel, and today I've decided to make one. I haven't been trading for a long time now. Uh, I had a I had a personal things to deal with, but as I'm seeing the markets today, and I've decided to make a quick video, which is going to be the analysis of the market and how it stands right now. As I'm seeing the market, I see the big indecision at the moment. Yeah, and let's do the quick analysis and see how it goes. Yeah, uh, let's watch what the market says and what the market speaks about. First of all, of course, we have to start with the bigger time frame. Bigger time frame is always the heaviest, and bigger time frame is the clearest picture. So we went to weekly time frame, and I'm seeing that the market steam, which has been going upwards, has finished dramatically. Has been finishing dramatically. Yeah, it's drying out. The money which was injected into the market is drying out. The sentiment is shifting. We can see the trend line from the bottom was broken recently. Despite I didn't trade, I didn't have a time to track the market. Uh, I have been watching the bigger time frame, and the thing which I'm seeing is very important. Yeah, that's why I've decided to share with you my opinions. So as we can see, the market is has been wedging. The volatility of the market was dropping in the bigger time frames as well. Uh, and let's drill down. Let's drill down into the. Oh, by the way, this is a S&P 500, the 500 biggest blue chip companies of the USA. Yeah, uh, the bigger time frame, the weekly time frame says that there was a wedge and it was broken. But to see more clear, let's drill down into the daily time frame. The daily time frame speaks the same thing. Yeah, the market was very. This is the phase where this is the phase of the COVID crisis. Yeah, which was followed by a massive money injection into the market, which ballooned up the market. Yeah, this is the um, how to say, this is the bubble. Most probably, this is my personal opinion at least, because uh, the market had increased by what is it, like 70-80% to the upwards. Yeah, but the companies of the US stock market didn't. They didn't. They are in a debt, and the old school might play out in this situation. So we might want to be very careful on this situation. As you can see, that after the crisis, there was a big bull market, and slowly it's drying out, and slowly it has been drying out. Yeah, and eventually, let's get closer to the present moment. Yeah, it it has broken down very decisively, and now it is behaving to the bearish side rather than a bullish. You know, and let's see what it says about the current situation. We have this kind of a downward little trend. Yeah, is going on right here, and in the future, we might see a little bearish market sentiments. This is what says technical aspects of the market. Of course, we have to watch Fed, what the Fed says, the economy, what says, which can shift the sentiment of the market. But in terms of technical side, what the market participants are leaving us as a clue, the market has a bearish sentiment, right? So this area is the area where the most activity has been happening throughout the history, right? Here, let's point out this area, yeah, right here, and you can see the activity there, yeah. So you catch my drift, and the activity of this area is dramatic and very significant. That's why what I am expecting from the market at the moment is that, let me just mark the arrow, yeah? The market will, for a couple of weeks, might go down for a couple of, yeah, maybe the week and a half, and it will try to reflect on this level, on the important level, yeah? And the market will, I think, will take us into the upward level where the most activity has been happening. Yeah, this you can see here and here and here, and multiple times the market reacted on this price. That means this price is important. Even fundamentally, yeah, the price might change the sentiment of the market. I mean, it's not fundamentally per se, but somehow fundamentals work out with the sentiment of the market. Sometimes you can see the big, massive news won't react as well as we hoped because of the sentiment. That's why the fundamentals might fade away in this level. That's what I mean, yeah? So the first target right now, yeah, is will be this area right here. Yeah, this is a red one. Let's put it in a red one. And the next one where we might see there is nothing for sure in the market, right? We have to watch the price. As they say, price discounts everything, right? And this is going to be the price I will be at least watching. So be careful when you trade, if you're trading or if you're watching the market. Of course, we will revise this analysis in the coming weeks, yeah, and we will watch how the market behaves on these particular moments. Now, what are the scenarios if the market doesn't work out in the way we are hoping, we are believing, yeah? What if this period breaks? That means this period, I'm sorry, this area breaks. That means we have a major bearish sentiment coming into the market. So we will revise our analysis according to how strong was the move whilst it was breaking this area, right? The behavior of the price in this area will tell us a lot. And the next scenario is, what if it bounces and breaks that area? Well, honestly, to do that, the market needs a very, very good reason. Yeah, this scenario might be like this, and this will be the least scenario, to be honest with you, because at the moment I don't see the reason why the market would behave this way, right? So let's see how the market behaves in coming weeks. These are the scenarios we are looking for, and we'll be trading according to them. Let's watch the industrials. Dow Jones 30. We have to start with a big time frame. Yeah, weekly time frame. In the weekly time frame, we see this similar situation, and the market is breaking the wedge area, which has been forming for a long time, for years, right? And in this scenario, in this market, the industrials, we can clearly see that this area has been massively important, and we will be watching closely how the price behaves on that area. Let's drill down to a smaller time frame. In a smaller time frame, it confirms our opinion, right? This area has been very, very strong throughout history. Let's see, we can see even a fake out in a bigger time frame. That means price had dropped for some reason, but the dip buyers, the bigger investors, saw the price was very, very cheap, and they stormed upwards the market, right? So the same situation is here, and even now we saw the double bottom, the bottoming pattern. Yeah, we have to watch this price quite closely, because for now this price has been very, very important, significantly. Yeah, but however, we still have let me just put it this way. Yeah, right. And if I can do this way, oh, there we go. This area has been very strong. This area has been very strong. This particular candle, tells us that the market participants are very interested in this price. Well, however, we can see that upwards, how to say, momentum is not that strong either. They have tried to get the market back up, but they failed. And again, the choppy market here, there was indecisive moment, and then the market again tried to storm up. But the last day, we can see that the fear and uncertainty of the market direction was dominant, and the price moved very little. Yeah. So, in my opinion, this sort of channel, downwards channel, will be very interesting to watch. And in the future, we might see even the fake out like it was here. This area will be the area to watch. These two areas will be the areas to watch. They're going to be a little bit different than the S&P 500, because the industrials are heavier. Yeah, when the buyers are coming, they come in very, very strongly. So these are the two areas I will be watching. The scenarios are, the market might come right back in, yeah, and try to get back to where it was. Yeah. In that case, our area we are going to watch is this area where the indecisive motion of the market was happening, and this is the all-time high. Don't forget about that. to break. In order to break this area, we need a very big reason, right? This might be the first case. The second scenario I am waiting for is this one. The market might come into the lower level, yeah, and create this sort of pattern. As I said, industrials are very heavy, and the capital which is coming into the industrials are very, very massive. That's why the swings are bigger and more expensive than in the S&P 500. So this is in my opinion, in my personal opinion, this is the most probable scenario here. Again, we have to watch the price behavior in this region, because that area throughout history was very important, very significant. And if it breaks, the stoppage is, which we'll be watching, is this area, right? We'll be closely monitoring the market. I will be updating you about the price behavior and how I update my analysis. Yeah. So should we go to the high tech? Let's see the high tech. What the high tech is doing. Let me delete all of that. Again, let's go to weekly time frame. Yeah. Weekly time frame, yes. The weekly time frame is telling us again the similar situation. As you can see, the high tech index had made a little change even in the during the COVID crisis, because of the online stores and online shopping and online services. Yeah, they were able to cope with the crisis better than the industrials and the other companies in S&P 500. So the wedge here is little bit of complicated situation, but still we can see that these areas, they might be, in my opinion, they are the cause of volatility, not the real market movements. The cause of volatility, the speed was taking them there, but as soon as they are coming up there, the market significantly dropped. Don't forget, this is the weekly time frame. Let's drill down to the daily, and as we can see that the high tech has been choppier, because the liquidity in high tech companies are more uncertain, right? They're high tech. They might be today they might be very good. Tomorrow they might be very bad. They are very liquid. We will, yeah. If we drill down for today's situation, we can see again the same scenario as in other indexes. You know, oh my God. Yeah, there we go. Here we go. The same channel, downwards channel, and again, we have to watch the important levels, which is going to be, in my opinion, this area. It's more clearer here. Yeah, I think this area is very significant for the high tech companies, and the scenarios I'm watching are so here, and we will see a little bit of upwards motion, and we'll be watching if the market turns around. We will be watching that area. This is the most probable, in my opinion, scenario concerning the US 100. If we drill down even more, yeah, we can see in a 4 hours time frame, we can see that the market tried to break the channel level and that support level, yeah, important level, but it failed. It is failing dramatically. Yeah, we can see the small candles compared to these, right? And compared to uh, other candles and throughout history, the candles are very small. That means the uncertainty in the market is dramatic. So we have to watch it. We have to watch how the market is going to behave in those particular areas. Let's get back to industrials and watch them more closely in the smaller time frame. Very small time frame. It's as you can see again, the candles are very small, and which means there is no capital in the market. The capital is dried out for this moment, for this particular moment at least, and we have to expect the downward movement for the next coming coming weeks. Yeah. Again, let's go to S&P 500 with a smaller time frame. The same scenario, right? The same scenario, the same picture. So all of the signs in the market, they say that we have most probably, I quote, most probably we have the downward sentiment, downwards motion of the market more than the upwards. Yeah, most probably we will be seeing the downward movement in coming weeks. So this is it for the weekly review, for the review for this week at least. I apologize that I have been absent for a long time. I will be keeping now you updated according to our analysis, and we will be seeing how the market will behave together. I think I have dealt with all the problems, not the problems, most of the things I have to take care of. And also, if we can, of course, we will be trading together, and we'll see how the market will behave, and we'll be together watching it, and hopefully to take profit, right? Okay, guys, it's time for me to wrap up this video. So good luck for trading, good luck for learning how to trade, and I will be more active in YouTube channel. So for the end, again, I look forward to see you guys out there in the market.